Saturday, August 14th. I am just signing on from Gander. Stayed across the street back there at the Comfort Inn, I believe it was. Pretty good. It's what you'd expect from a bigger place. The free breakfast that came with it. Be warned if you're in the area that you will have to wait in a lineup where it's a small seated dining room and you have to wait till people leave. So I wouldn't even include that. The lineup was way too long. I didn't even wait. I ended up eating at Tim Hortons. So anyways, I'm not exactly sure what the end goal is today. I really do think I will be camping tonight, which is fine. It's supposed to be warm, probably a little humid actually. So I am going to get going. I have a few things I need to grab snacks wise and stuff like that in town, and then I'm on the road. So Saturday, August 14th, Gander. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dean, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Cheers. Alright guys, I'm not even sure where we're going. We're in Gander and I'm trying to get back towards the highway. This is the direction that I need to go. I just don't know if this will take me there. Let's just see what this is. This may be the Trans-Canada. Thinking I might just take it today. Fucking idiot. That guy is a POS. I don't know if you saw that rock that he kicked up when he went by there. Like, what a goof, to be honest with you. Couple Cliff Bars is really all I need. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to climb this hill up here. Again, GoPro's not going to do it any justice whatsoever. I may end up just walking some of it because still got some riding to do today. So, and I think there's some more hills like this. So I'll let you know how it goes. I'll probably record some of it. All right, guys, about, I don't know, not even, probably just about halfway up this killer hill here. That's where we came from, back that way. So, yep, just going to keep getting at her. Thomas Howe Forest Foundation. Not gonna go in. I'd like to, but I've hardly gotten anywhere and it's later in the day. So it's a demonstration forest site, an interpretation center and walking trails. Sounds pretty sweet. I don't know if the GoPro is going to pick up that hill as far as severity, but it's going to be a doozy. It's a long one too, so I'm going to stop and get some water in me before I start climbing that sucker. Suppose that's a pretty good payoff, that view up ahead, but you'll be able to see it better in a bit. Pretty sweet view. And take a leak. Pulled off the highway. The highway's just over that way. Just pulled into this area. I bet you there's some blueberries out there. I just don't feel like tromping through there. It is hot. Yeah, this is kind of what's kind of on the interior of Newfoundland. Pretty sure it's a mix of jack pines and some other white pines, and not sure if there's any cedars, but I do believe there's a lot of pine trees. So very cool. Curious to know where this goes to. It's very bright out. I don't feel like breaking the phone out right now to check. But yeah. Pretty sweet view up ahead. I just like this handheld one because I can get you more of a bird's eye view, if you would say. My eye view, I guess, would be the best way. My point of view. There you go. So guys, I just pulled into this Joey's Lookout. I'm gonna go take a look at the view, but so yeah, as you can see, this one here, the nail, I just picked that up. So just coming down the hill to come in here, I just ran that over. So I had to put a bacon strip in it, or a plug, if you will. And that's what that is. So I've never used one before, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm really stressed out about this because that back tire has now taken 2 pretty good punctures in the last 3 days. So I'm not sure why I'm having this luck in the last few days of the trip, but I am. So anyways, I'll be back with you when I see that view. All right, that is a pretty wicked view. I think that might be the rail trail that goes down there across that bridge, to be honest with you. I wanted to get on it, but now I'm apprehensive. I've never used the plug before. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold or not, so. Anyways, pretty sweet view. Pretty awesome. Guys, I'm gonna try riding, even though I'm apprehensive about that plug, so we'll see. I can't afford to get a new tire right now, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen if it starts failing completely, so. This is the Gambo River. Camera on the bike died on me, so yeah, anyways, pretty sweet. So I'm going into this little town called Glovertown, I think, or Glovertown, because my rear tire's in bad shape, guys. So the one I took today, the puncture, the nail, it's fine. Now the other puncture is spewing out sealant. I can't have much left. It's all over the back of my bike and all over my bag and everything. So I don't know what's here, but I don't know. All right, guys, I hope you can see me. I am signing out for Saturday, August the 14th. I am in Glovertown, Newfoundland. I was forced to get in here because of my rear tire problem, so I really lucked out. I am at the Ocean View Cottages. I will check that out for sure. Actually, hold on a sec. I don't have my glasses. They gave me a business card. So Lisa and Marcel are really awesome people, and they let me put my tent up over in back of the inn. So just really worked out good. I ended up having dinner, able to wash my clothes. So again, really beautiful trail magic. So anyways, guys, just signing out for August, Saturday the 14th, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
In my head I may not know what I feel down in my soul. With my eyes I may not see the fire that burns inside of me. Stand strong